Hey crafters, welcome back to the second installment of my DIY desk calendar project. If you watched last month, you'll remember I showed you how I created my January calendar. I'll insert a photo of it here and also of the DIY kit from PaperSource. I'll also put a link to my January video and the PaperSource kit in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. So here's all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the February calendar. And here, just for reference, is the January calendar. This is the blank February card insert, a piece of red cardstock for my background, and black cardstock for an overlay. And these are the 4 different colored conversation hearts I'm going to be stamping on. I also cut out this speech bubble, and I'm going to be using this to stamp a sentiment on. The sentiments for the conversation hearts came from a cat scrappiness stamp set called Say It With Hearts, and the sentiment I'm using for the speech bubble came from a Simon Says card kit. I'm going to be using a VersaFine Clair red ink called Glamorous to stamp all the sentiments, and at the end I'm going to sprinkle some cat scrappiness red droplet sequence for the finishing touch. Assembling the cardstock layers was really easy. I just adhered the black cardstock to the red cardstock mat and then adhered those both to the white calendar insert for February. Next, it was time to stamp the conversation hearts and the speech bubble with the VersaFine Clair red ink. Then it was time to arrange the 4 conversation hearts and the speech bubble on the front of the black cardstock. Next step, adhere everything down. And for my final step, I adhered some cat scrappiness heart droplet sequence onto the conversation bubble before adding that finishing touch, a heart on number 14. There you have it, my finished calendar for February. Tune in next month because of course we'll be doing March. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next month.